Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. And you all know that I bought a GoPro Hero 8 and not so long ago. And today I decided to test her performance in the night. Yes, with very little light. And let's see what it was. Just to be with you.
Splice Original.
So I was very surprised in a positive way. I was not expecting that the GoPro Hero 8 gonna give me such clear image at night. One of the best improvements of the GoPro Hero 8, as we can see, a steady image thanks to the Hypersmooth image software. Another thing that I like very much is that even at night we are able to see a very bright and beautiful colors. I like this so much because for me it makes a huge difference in the footage. And we are also possible to see the details of things around us. Now, as you can see, we choose a path with very poor light. And it was crucial to test the GoPro Hero 8 with poor lighting and see how the footage is going. In the end, I still think this is a great action cam option and is very more affordable than the GoPro Hero 9 or the GoPro Hero 10 and gives very good results as well. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. See ya. Bye bye.